What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. Today we smacked TP again. Today we are Tuesday, February 3. I dropped a short. If you guys want to go check it out, check it out. So, cockpit. Today we made nearly around 10k, but like I said, we're still on eval, so I made around 950 on each account. Now I know why TradeSyncer actually doesn't close my order at the same price. It's probably because I enter in limit orders and not market orders. So, the time it sends the information to the other accounts, it takes some time probably, and that's why there's some accounts with less. Regardless, it doesn't matter. I'll probably need right now around 1 to 2 more days. I'll check on the dashboards updates so I can see, but we're looking pretty nice. 52k, so I'll probably need 1.1, 1.2k on take profit. On Tradeify, I only need 2.5k to pass, and as of right now I'm up, let's say 1k. No, I think I still need 2 days anyway, so hopefully this week we pass, right? Tradeify. So I'll keep it simple today. Today very easy, same thing as yesterday, beautiful continuation. Hopefully this month stays like that, honestly. But yeah, so I marked the session lows, right? I'm not gonna mark the highs since we're obviously in a downtrend. What can I see? I can see this massive hourly bullish fair value gap, so most likely price is gonna retrace into it, and then either it's gonna respect it or disrespect it, right? But the whole idea is that price is gonna come and fill this fair value gap. So let's go into replay, and I'll take you guys through my mind, right? Market open, we dump through what's it called, London low, Asia low. We keep dumping, right? We get this 1 minute fair value gap set up, and we get another 1 minute fair value gap set up. Now at 9:43, this fair value gap is huge, right? So I'm gonna wait a little bit. Am I in my time to trade? Yes. Let's check. So price kept dumping. We're obviously in a downtrend. We're obviously in a continuation to the downside. So I'll be looking for bearish 1 minute fair value gap, right? Perfect. Now technically this fair value gap, can I enter in it? Is it valid? Yes, 100%. Is it aligned with my context? Yes. Problem is stop loss. Technically I should put it, at the most recent wick high or the body, right? But now if I'm gonna be looking for 1 to 2, that's gonna be just way too much points. I'm already at 45 points, right? So what I'll do is I'll just wait for price to retrace, and once it breaks out, then yeah, I'll take the trade. On the other hand, if it doesn't break out, I'll wait for this fair value gap to see what happens, right? So let's see what happens. Okay. So as of right now, I don't trade inverse, I don't trade anything, right? Simple, one strategy, one setup. Technically we just inversed this bearish fair value gap, right? But doesn't matter, I'm still waiting. Because in my mind, in my context, I know that we're gonna go down. So here probably it's either faking out traders or just a bigger retrace than we need. But regardless, if my stop loss was right there, I'm still alright. But like I said, I didn't take a trade yet. Right there is where I took the trade. So not only we retraced, we ended up going back out and closing back out of this bearish fair value gap. I'll remove it. And we created another fair value gap aligned with my context. So that's beautiful. We still have the sell side too. That's valid. I entered for 25 points, for 50 points. targeting a 1 to 2. It was perfectly aligned with the sell side. Stop loss, yes, I could have placed it a little bit better at the body or even at those highs, but it really didn't matter. What I'm looking for, I got the word right, speed and efficiency. Beautiful. 1, 2, well, 3 with this one. So 3 minutes later, full TP hit. Simple as that. If you guys are wondering why I'm doing the upload a little bit late, I actually recorded the video, but I was watching it and the files are getting corrupted. You can hear my audio but not see the background. It's like frozen, so I had to redo it again. But yeah, check out the short. That was the trade recap. Simple, simple, simple. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.